So, it's day one of the Jeep project. What are we going to do today? We're going to start taking all the exterior parts and accessories off. Let's do it! Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I do have the microphone on, however I am in a soft top Jeep, so take it for what it's worth. I just wanted to take a couple minutes here to explain our 100th upload giveaway, which if you guys have seen my Instagram or Facebook, you will know that we hit 100 uploads, I think it was 2 videos ago. So we're really excited about that. I mean, that's for someone who works, you know, a full-time job, has a family, and trying to balance everything out between enjoying making YouTube videos like I do, being with my family, and also having a career. It's definitely a challenge. So real happy about making 100 episodes, 100 uploads, and we want to keep pushing and hit 200. So anyway, in celebration of our 100th upload, obviously we want to have a giveaway. just a little information. If you check out Social Blade or something like that, you'll see my videos don't make a whole lot of money. They really don't, but that's okay because it's something I enjoy doing. So, you know, I make about $100 every 3 months, so I make about $1 a day, and, you know, plus or minus depending on views. And if I put out a new video, obviously I get a surge for a day or two, and then it drops back again to, you know, about $1 a day. So what I want to do is give away 3 months of my YouTube earnings, which is about $100. So 100th upload, $100 cash, and we're just going to give it away. In addition, because I know people are, you know, $100 is $100. $100 would fill my truck with gas, and, you know, somebody could use $100. So we're going to give that away, and also any item from my online store, which has shirts, coffee mugs, stickers, decals, and posters. So I'll let the winner choose whatever item they want. It can be anything that I have available in my online store, and if there's any way that I can make it better for them or customize it for them, I'd be more than happy to do that. In fact, I've been thinking about putting out a 100th upload shirt or a 100 upload sticker of some sort, and just giving them away for free, especially the stickers. You know, I like giving away free stuff when I can. And my seatbelt's hanging out the side. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna do that. 100 upload, really happy about that giveaway. Now here's how you enter to win. Obviously, you have to be a subscriber of the YouTube channel. That's our source of income, and that's how we can do a giveaway, is by generating revenue off of videos. So you have to be a subscriber to the YouTube channel. You also have to follow us on Instagram, and the entries are going to be processed through Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some sort of a post or a question, and you have to reply to that in Instagram, and that will be your entry. So you'll have to answer the question on Instagram, and then I will choose the winner with a random number generator. I will go through the comments with a random number generator, and then whatever number pops up, we'll do it all on camera, and actually I might do it live. I've never done a live Instagram before, but we'll do a live video, and you guys can follow along and see if you're the lucky winner. So I certainly hope that you will subscribe to the channel, that you will also follow us on Instagram, and be sure to answer that question so you can enter to win. Everybody likes free stuff, right? So thank you guys for all your support. Thank you for your views, your likes, your comments, your shares, and just a heartfelt thank you for allowing me to have a hobby that I truly enjoy. And I know my videos aren't all that great sometimes. Sometimes I get busy with work and I don't get to upload a lot, but it happens. So anyway, 100th episode, 100th upload. Thank you so much. Thank you from deep inside me, because I really truly do enjoy making videos. And you know, the naysayers be the naysayers, and I just like to do it. So again, thank you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. Find us on Instagram. GearTube TV is the name. Follow us on Instagram. Watch for that question to appear. It's going to appear within the next 7 days. The question will just randomly appear on Instagram. I will post something on Facebook too, to tell everybody to check it out on Instagram. And I will also post a very, very short YouTube video saying the question's now live for the giveaway. Be sure to go to Instagram and answer the question. So thank you guys, and I hope you'll enter, and someone's going to walk away with $100 of cash and something free from the merchandise store. And there you go. Thank you guys. We'll catch you at the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.